Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kristen. If not, welcome back. Today's video is going to be over my 500 subscriber giveaway. So we finally hit 500 subscribers, I think just a couple days ago. I think we are already at 600 or above, which is awesome. But I wanted to still go ahead and do a giveaway real quick, and I will be giving away a little set of DevaCurl products. So the products that will be in the giveaway are a DevaCurl diffuser, and then there will be a deep sea repair mask, and lastly there will be a DevaCurl melt into moisture mask. Now you will only be able to enter in this giveaway once. And the way you will do that is you will subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then you will head over to my Instagram, and that is Chrissy2295, and then you will repost my 500 subscriber giveaway post and tag me in that post also. Now, the winner will be announced in 2 weeks on December 7th at 5 p.m. I will make an Instagram post announcing the winner, and I will also be doing a YouTube video, which will be over my rice water rinses, and I will announce the winner within that video at the beginning also. Now, this giveaway is US only, so it will not be international. Thank you so much, guys, for helping me hit 500 subscribers. Thank you for watching and supporting me along my curly hair journey. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching all of my videos, and if you would like to see more videos like this one or learn more about curly hair, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!